Just about to leave here. It's just raining pretty bad. All the rain we've had over the last 24 hours is from Tropical Storm Ophelia, which is what is bringing the waves today. Just pulled up. We're about to check out the waves. Kind of excited to see what we got. Guys, winds are starting to switch offshore just a touch, and there's some sick lines coming through. Definitely some size. Look at this. Look at this one. Oh, look at this thing. Good night. All right, guys, it's looking pretty sick out. Cutting to the edit now. You.
I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me, tell me that you want me. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me, tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me, tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me, tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me, tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me, tell me that you want me. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Tell me that you need me. I've been waiting all night for you to, tell me what you want. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Tell me that you need me. I've been waiting all night for you to, tell me what you want. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me.
Hey guys, just an update. Sun is setting. Waves are still pumping. Look at that. I went in to switch boards up. The board I was riding before, bat tail. This board's a Crescent tail. So I just want to see how it feels in this surf. Conditions are sick. I'm getting back out there. You. I'm stoked. I'm gonna keep it real in this video. I haven't been in surf like that in a long time. Butterflies to start, and then once I got on a couple waves, faded away and just slowly started to get comfortable. But check out the Ocean City Strip. Tropical Storm Ophelia brought some surf. Stoked on it. All right guys, 11:30. Pretty tired right now, but here's the deal. We're gonna wake up super early, make some coffee, hit the road, all that good stuff. So I will catch you guys in the morning. All right guys, 5 a.m. I'm in serious need of some coffee. Essential right now. Not many people up in my town right now. It's anything like last night, pretty epic. Day 2 of Ophelia. Let's see what we got. Left drainer. Oh, another one? Kidding? Okay, it's time to get out there. Check out the time, guys, 3:17. I bodyboarded and surfed for 6.5 hours. Completely smoked, sore, stoked though. Got some barrels today. Shout out to Mike and Craig. Great time sharing waves. So I'm almost home. I'm gonna make a coffee, get ready for work. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. All that helps a ton. I will catch you all in the next video.